In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a Google Form link. Whether you're looking to gather feedback, conduct a survey, or plan an event, Google Forms is a powerful tool to collect information efficiently. Let's dive straight into how you can share your form with others, making sure your intended audience can access and fill it out. First things first, you'll need to access Google Forms. Open your preferred web browser and head to the Google Forms website. If you're not already signed in, you'll see a sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Click on it. You'll then be prompted to enter your email address. Type it in, click next, and then enter your password on the following page. Once you've entered your credentials, click the sign in button to access your Google Forms dashboard. Now that you're signed in, it's time to navigate to the form you wish to share. If you've recently worked on it, you should see it listed right there on the dashboard. If not, you might have to scroll down or search for it by name. Once you've located your form, click on it to open. With your form open, look for a toolbar at the top right corner of the screen. One of the buttons there says Send. Go ahead and click on it. This action will bring up a new window with several options for how you can share your Google form. In the window that appears, you'll notice among the options a chain link icon symbolizing a direct link to your form. Click on this icon. Clicking the chain icon reveals the direct link to your form. This URL is what you'll share with the people you want responses from. The final step is a breeze. Right next to the form link, you'll see a copy button. Click this button to copy the link to your clipboard. That's it. You've successfully copied the direct link to your Google form. With the link copied, all that's left is to paste it wherever you need it. This could be in an email, on a social media post, within a text message, or even embedded on a website or blog. Sharing this link is how you'll invite people to fill out your form. A quick tip before we wrap up: double check your form settings to ensure it's set up exactly how you want it. You'll want to make sure you've allowed the necessary access for people to respond, and that you're collecting the information you need. And there you have it. Sharing a Google Form link is as simple as that. Whether it's for business, school, or personal use, knowing how to quickly and effectively share your forms can save you time and help you gather the data you need efficiently. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.